Hi kids! Let's try to fill color using fill tool in our drawing. Let's quickly open the Tux Paint application. And now select New Tool to choose our drawing. Let me select this airplane for coloring. To fill color in a closed shape, we use Fill tool. Now, choose the color of your choice and just click on the shape. Let me quickly fill my favorite colors in the picture. Notice how the drawing mascot penguin is helping us? Now let's save this drawing using Save tool. Save tool is used to save your work in Tux Paint. Stay tuned to make your first greeting with us. Don't forget to subscribe.